USA. Omaha. Pouring rain and hail created a massive mess in some parts of the city last night. Crews are hard at work today clearing the damage. There was water covering the entire roadway, causing huge issues for drivers near 50th and Grover. City officials say flash flooding like this is caused by a mix of hail and debris clogging up storm inlets. City officials say it's rare for this to happen. It typically only happens once a year. Heavy rain and, in some places, a lot of hail pummeled parts of the Omaha Metro Tuesday night. 2 different storms rolled through the metro with large amounts of small hail, and in some cases some 1-2 diameter hail. The first, and likely the worst one, was closer to 8 p.m., while the second one was closer to 9 p.m. Hail up to 2 in diameter was reported in the Ralston area, with several other 1-2 reports around the Omaha Metro. Subscribe my NDN Start Channel and press the bell. Watch other videos.